In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Remote Support Display Assist tool. AgFiniti Remote Support Display Assist allows you to remotely view and control display screens through a web browser for faster in-field support, monitoring, and troubleshooting. To use Remote Support Display Assist, the operator will only need to be logged into their free AgFiniti account via the display and internet access. The display viewer will need to be logged into their AgFiniti account from a web browser or the AgFiniti app, as well as have an active AgFiniti Essentials license on their account. There are various ways that a remote viewing session can be initiated: using a pre-authorization code, logging into the same AgFiniti account, or by setting up sharing access. Using the pre-authorization code that is generated in your field display allows you to share a 10-digit code with any AgFiniti user so that they can begin viewing your field display. You can generate this code in your AgLeader display by tapping the menu in the upper left corner and then tapping Remote Support. Provide this code to the person who is going to view your display and they will enter it into AgFiniti. A second way to view a display is to simply log into the same AgFiniti account that the display is logged into. Farm managers can then assist multiple operators via the remote support tool without needing to travel to every field display. A pre-authorization code is not needed in this instance. However, the display operator will still have to accept the remote support request. The last and more operated way for a trusted advisor is to establish remote support by having account level sharing, remote support/display assist privileges. This gives the trusted advisor the ability to begin remote support session at any time. This method of remote support also does not require a pre-authorization code. If the remote viewer would like access to view the display at any time without the need of the display operator accepting the request, tap Setup from the home screen, then tap Console Setup. Then tap the AgFiniti tab. Change the Remote Support dropdown to Always Allow. Then select the display and tap View in AgFiniti. The screen will be highlighted in green. To control their display, tap Control in AgFiniti. You will receive a message that you must wait for the operator to accept your request. And once they do, you will see their display highlighted in yellow, indicating to the display operator that someone is controlling their screen. Certain functionality is not available for the remotely controlling user to initiate for safety reasons. At any time, the display operator can end the session by tapping the menu and then tapping Disconnect Remote Support. During a Remote Support Display Assist session, a tab at the bottom will tell the operator and the viewer how much time it takes before the session runs out. They can add more time by tapping the tab and tapping Add Time. If the display operator does not do this, the session will end and the user who was remotely controlling the display will be returned to a remote viewing session only. You have now learned how to initiate and use Remote Support Display Assist tool in AgFiniti. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.